As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two tabletop grills. The Bighorn Outdoors 1, B089Y1HXSF, and the Captiva Designs, B0BDFHB9Z8. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those too. The Bighorn is all about that super high heat, right? Like 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit.
Exactly. It's an infrared broiler specifically designed for searing steaks. It boasts 19,000 BTUs of heating power. The Captiva Designs grill is more of an all-rounder, with 15,000 BTUs and 2 burners.
So the Bighorn is more powerful, but the Captiva Designs has more cooking space, right?
It seems so. The Bighorn has a 143 square inch cooking surface. The Captiva Designs grill offers a larger 275 square inches.
That's a significant difference. The Captiva Designs grill also has side tables, which would be super handy for prepping.
Good point. The Bighorn doesn't have side tables, but it does have a 10-tier adjustable rack, and it comes with a pizza stone.
Pizza? Tempting. But practically, the Captiva Designs grill's cast iron grates and dual zone control seem more versatile for everyday grilling. And it has a grease tray, which is always a plus for easy cleanup.
The Bighorn is stainless steel and dishwasher safe, which also makes cleanup easy. It is designed for intense searing and high heat cooking, so it will cook food very fast.
True, but I'm thinking about cooking burgers, chicken, maybe even some veggies. The Captiva Designs grill seems better suited for that range. Plus, it's a bit cheaper at $179.99 compared to the Bighorn's $199.99.
That's a good point about the price. The Bighorn is really targeting that steakhouse quality sear. But for general grilling, the Captiva Designs grill seems like the better value.
Exactly. Unless you're really serious about your steaks and want that intense infrared heat, the Captiva Designs grill is probably the way to go. More versatile, more cooking space, and side tables.
Yeah, you've convinced me. The Captiva Designs grill it is. Thanks for the help. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.